Tired of carving pumpkins for Halloween? Paint them! These 3 painted pumpkin ideas are so easy to paint. Ready? Let's make some for our home this fall. First, set up your work area. Lay down a drop cloth or newspaper to protect your work surface. And wash and dry your pumpkins. Apply black and white acrylic paint, and if one layer isn't enough, apply a second layer. Make sure the pumpkins dry completely. Grab an Artistro paint pen set and get creative. For this pumpkin, we will use Artistro medium tip acrylic markers. Paint white flowers and leaves and add black details. Use an Artistro gold oil-based paint pen to get an extra shiny look for your pumpkin. Well, look at this cute pumpkin. Looks fancy. For our second idea, we've chosen a sugar skull design. You can sketch the drawing first or freehand it. For the eyes, nose, and mouth, use an Artistro medium-tipped black marker and use different color paint pens for the additional dots. Painting details is so much easier with Artistro. Agree? Moving on to the next design. This time we will paint classic black and white combinations. Grab an Artistro white medium-tipped acrylic paint pen and start doodling. It's quite relaxing, isn't it? So that's all it takes to paint a pumpkin. Easy, huh? We would love to hear what you made or are planning to make this Halloween. Just leave a comment below.